Sirikand County mar piny owacho ma pacho kaendi kokalo e bwo duol mar The Kenya Rural Roads Authority oketo tenge omenda madirom milion 30 ma bende ibi gundh godo Olalo mar Oria Oriat mantiere e tong' mar kaunti mar Homabay kaachiel koda manero ma Migori. Olalo noero nopodho chieng' tich adek mar jumaniere kaluwore koda koth mapek ma bende osebedo ka chwe e gwenge makono. Chenro mar loso Olalo noero nolande oboke ma bende nochiw koda Regional Director mar Nyanza mong'ere kaka Engineer JM Kimilu ma bende nochiwo ne jood bura mandhiwa migosi Martin Peters Owino.
Sorry for what happened. It's our driver who has caused this because he violated the rules that have been set out. Okay? It's lucky that nobody perished. We must thank God for what happened. If somebody had died, we'll be talking a different story. Now, as a company, we are seeing the shortest and the fastest thing that we can do so that people can move. We have already discussed with the leaders here. Right now, I'm just going out to meet some engineers. Once we discuss with them, we'll come back and tell you what has been decided.